Individual differences, meaning, significance, and causes. Another factor to consider in the relation to develop is the concept of individual differences. Children develop at different rates. This in turn creates a variation among the individuals, that is, individual differences. Again, this difference can be either qualitative and or quantitative. For children in any preschool classroom setting, the difference in the temperament and personality, intelligent achievement, and psychological factors such as height and weight are noteworthy and reflect a wide range of normal variation. Some children grow rapidly and others grow more slowly. They also are racial and gender developmental variations during this fatal stage. For example, female mature faster than males do. Further, at birth, the skeletal development of the females is about 4 weeks ahead of that of a males, and African American children shows more rapid skeletal maturation than white children do. It is important to understand that the concept of individual differences is the basis upon which one child is compared to another. Also, the existence of these differences constitutes the fundamental premises underlying the development of standardized educational and psychological tests. An understanding of individual differences provides the foundation for recognizing normal variations as well as extreme differences among children, and thus for identifying those who may have special needs. In general, understanding of the various developmental levels in enhanced by familiarity with the concept of individual differences. Meaning of individual differences. In education, ever since that the most ancient times, students have been differentiated on the basis of age, as difference in age level entitles the children to differing levels of education. As the children's age gradually increases, the subject of his education can be made more complex and difficult. In addition to differences in age, another factors in the difference in levels of intelligence. Besides this, educational attainment were also considered to be important. In this manner, during the ancient and medieval period, individual differences was believed to be the capacity of attaining skills in particular subject. In modern schools, other kids of the skills and ability and peculiarity of personality in individuals are also taken into consideration. According to Skinner, today we think of individual differences as including any measurable aspects of the total personality. From this definition of individual differences, it is evident that it comprehends every aspects of the human personality, albeit all aspects that is in some manner measurable. Aspects of this nature can be many, such as variability, conformity, difference in the rates of learning and development of mutual relationship between the various characteristics of personality, etc. In this manner, various individual differences of the physical and mental development nature learning ability, specific ability, interest, and personality, etc. Definition: individual differences are the variation from one person to another on the variables such as self esteem, rates of cognitive development, or degrees of agreeableness. Historically, psychological science has overlooked individual differences in favor of focusing on average behavior. The differences that separate individual from one another and makes one as unique individual in oneself or termed as individual difference.